Hello, fabulous first season friends. This is Mrs. DeHaan. Are you ready for another exciting lesson about igneous rocks? Good deal. Okay, today we're going to learn that igneous rocks have something inside them called minerals. The easiest way for me to teach you about minerals is to give you an example first. Salt is a mineral, something that we all eat, we all have to have. It has an essential nutrient in it called iodide that helps us stay alive. Now, in order for something to be a mineral, it has to occur naturally. It can't be man-made. So when you eat salt, when you get salt, it's something that the earth made itself. It's not something that I went into a factory and I put some things together and I made salt. It doesn't work that way. There are actually salt mines in the world where people go and get it, or places like the Bonneville Salt Flats in Utah where you can find salt. There's also the Salt Lake in Salt Lake City, Utah, that is, it's a lake and it's full of salt. Okay, it's also a single substance. That means it's not a mixture of something. When you bake a cake, you put the eggs and you put the flour and you put the sugar and you put all those different ingredients together and it makes a cake. Salt is salt is salt. It's a single substance. It's not a mixture of anything else. Its mineral name is halite. H-A-L-I-T-E, halite. Its chemical name is sodium chloride. Now in that case it is a mixture. So it's a component of sodium and chloride put together to make salt. Sodium chloride. Okay, so for our experiment today, we're going to have those three ferocious creatures come and do something. So I'm going to call them, come here ferocious creatures. If you guys will come stand behind me. You have to get where they can see you. So on our table, we have three different kinds of salt. We have this guy. Is that salt? No, what is that?
An orange.
It's an orange. He always wants to get in our lessons. All right. We have what's called common table salt. This is what you use to put in your food. And then we have rock salt. This hasn't been crushed up very much. Can you see that? And then we have a special guest, and this is Himalayan pink salt that was brought to me from India. One of my students' grandfathers went to visit India, and he brought me back this gigantic block of pink Himalayan rock salt. It's pretty, huh? Okay. Back up, creature. So what we're going to have these ferocious creatures do today is I have a spoon of salt, and what I want them to do is take their tongue and stick it in the salt and tell me what happens. I'm going to give you the, wait, I'm going to hand it to you. Hold it. Don't spill it. Hold it. Hold it. Okay. Now I'm going to get out of the way. Can you scoot over just a little bit and let Tristan in?
Yeah.
All right, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Go. Stick your tongue in it. What do you think?
It's dissolving. It's bubbling in my mouth.
It's bubbling in your mouth. Tell me about the taste.
It's very sour.
Sour? That's how you describe it? Okay.
And really sweet.
Really sweet. Bite it. Not the spoon, silly. Is it crunchy?
Really crunchy.
Crunchy. What do you think, Tristan?
Crunchy.
Crunchy. Let me see that face you just made. Do you like it?
No.
Not so
really.
much?
Not really.
What about on your food? Do you like to eat it on your food?
Yes.
Yeah. So one of the things that Chef Cameron will tell you is that salt helps our food taste a lot better. We're just dumping it on Tristan's blanket there. All right. Thank you, helpers, ferocious helpers.
Bye.
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 See you later.
What?
Sometimes there are foods you will eat that if you don't put salt on it, it will not taste as good, such as mashed potatoes. If you eat just plain potatoes with no salt on it, you're going to definitely tell the difference between potatoes that have salt in it and potatoes that don't have salt in it. It's going to be way more bland, which means that it's going to taste like yuck. That's what I think it would taste like. Or the salty potatoes are going to have more flavor to it. So that's what we had planned for today. I want you to know that I love you with all of my heart and soul, that I'm grateful for you, that I appreciate all your hard work that you're doing at home while we're away from each other, and I cannot wait for us to be together again soon. I love you guys.